In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your custom QR code on Illustrator. So open up your Adobe Creative Cloud here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to firstly install a plugin for the Illustrator. So to do that, go to the Stock and Marketplace tab here. So click on it, okay, and then from here, what you're going to do, go to the Plugins tab here, select the Plugins tab, okay, and then here search for QR code. So type in QR code and search for it, and from here click on this QR code maker here. So this is the plugin for Illustrator. Click on get and then install this. So hit on get and then install this code. So now launch Illustrator. So here on Illustrator you can create a new file, and then what we're going to do is Windows tab here, and then from the Windows click on extension, and from the extension select QR code maker. Okay, select it, and this will open up this dialog box here. So what we're going to do now here is simply configure the QR code. So here you have to type in or paste the URL for the QR code. So what do you want the QR code to do? So what is it for? For example, you want to access it to your specific maybe Facebook account, then just type in the URL. So whatever you want it to do, just type in the URL and then hit on create. So when you hit on create, so this will now create the custom QR code for you, and there you go. So this is your custom QR code that you have already created. So you can now save these and use it, and that's basically pretty much it is.